Down here in the Group Finder section, click on Start Now button, and it will take you to another screen, where you can put the name in Group Subject tab, like Gamers. And now click on the Start button right under it. And as you can see, it is now searching all of the groups that created on that specific keyword that we just entered in the Group Subject tab, that is, Gamers. You can now see that it successfully found 30 groups based on our input keyword. Now you can either export these groups links as an Excel format, or you can directly join these groups via your WhatsApp. As you may see after clicking that button, it is now automatically taking me to my WhatsApp, and here you can see another window that contains all the links to the groups it found a minute ago. At the right hand side, you can see a delay settings, and I recommend you to use exactly these settings before smashing the start button, as this will help you to prevent any kind of mess right after anyone going to kick you out from the group. After all of that, when you are all set up, just click on the start button, and here you can see the running status. That indicates that the mechanism is now working, and it will now automatically help you to join the groups via the links that we have just found on the keyword Gamers. You can also see the status in percentage, and also down here a table that is telling that whether you joined that group or not, by showing you the status failed or success. Give it a little bit of time until it reached 100%, and then you can see the details that how many groups you have successfully joined and how many you failed to join so far. It's very amazingly helpful, right? Go to our website by clicking the link down below in the description, and scroll through our website and explore what our software is capable of. You can either import multiple contacts, send bulk messages to multiple people at once, send personalized messages to your customers with just one click, and many much more. Scroll the way down until you see our packages. You can get the basic package in $9.99 for 7 days. Or you can grab the Pro plan in just $49.99 for the lifetime. Meaning that you just need to spend one time and get our software for rest of your life. Isn't it just amazingly cheap? Like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos.